tell, see, that's wound up pretty tight. So you should shift before that. The synchros, they gotta get meshed up. So see, like this, you're right at $3,000 right now. That's when I would shift. I'm in 5th right now. Fourth would be perfect right now. You know, it's way down. It's only running 2,500. Yeah. The RPMs are too high, and the synchros can't. Synchros, it's hard to explain. It's just like your pedal bike. When it gets into the gear, let the clutch out. That way everything goes together, you know. It's just, you'll figure it out. Up gas a little more. Okay, a little more gas. Clutch out at the same time, give it a little gas. Just let the cuts out easy. Just ease it. Okay, now put the clutch in. Okay, there you go. Okay, clutch in. Ah, you got it. Okay, now. Good. Got her handle. Okay, burn clutch. Okay, clutch, brake. Okay, go to first. Okay, it's your turn. Okay, go ahead. There you go. Good. Okay.
I put the clutch in.
Okay, clutch in. Very nice car, buddy.
Survive.
How'd it go? How'd it go?
Herndon Towing's on its way.
Herndon Towing.
Good job.
Thank you.
How did it go?
He's got it down.
He does? Where'd you guys go?
Everywhere.
Riverbend, all.
Walmart.
Riverbend.
Walmart.
Walmart. Riverbend, the hills?
Yeah, Peapod Hills.
You did?
What?
He drove us home. Down there.
No, we didn't.
He did.
Lie like a rat. No, they're not. Oh, are you kidding?
No.
You did.
What?
He drove home.
He drove home.
Yeah, I believe that.
Huh?
I believe that. But you got it figured out?
There's like 10 people.
He just got to get a little smoother.
You went through the stuff. Oh.
No, but I. Ah.